Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have a ball cap on. It's wig time. So I have two wigs from the same brand, but I think I'm gonna split them up in two videos, okay? So yeah, let's do it. So I have a wig from UNice. They did send me this, okay? I don't know what's in here, but I think it's a closure. If it is a closure, I am going to, okay, yeah, it is a closure. I think it's curtain bangs, as you can see. It comes with everything that the wigs normally come with. Melting band, I need that. Some tape, I'm not really a tapey girl. And a HD wig cap, so we can just put this to the side. She looks like straight out the box. Okay, I'm gonna take her out. The roller is coming off, so we might as well just take it off. And then, yeah, so she is a closure. So this is one of their new caps. It's like cut around the ear. This is what it looks like. So she's pre-ready to wear. She's pre-everything. It has lace cut, it has plugged, and the knots are bleached, and it is styled for you. So it's easy for you to put on. So we're gonna put this on and I am gonna melt it down. So the first thing I am gonna do is make the strap a little longer. So let's adjust, because it's a little far down for my liking. Okay, so I'm gonna take some Ruby Kisses and I'm gonna put this in the part because the part is light. Okay, so this is a unit that really doesn't even need your lace being glued down or taped down or anything, because you have bangs, curtain bangs, okay? So I don't know, I think I'm gonna curl the front a little different just so it can make it pop. But you know, I love that the wigs come ready to wear. I know that curtain bangs, I like mine to have a defined part, right? So we're gonna split it like that. You know what? We might have to melt down our lace. So I'm gonna bring this down a little bit because I feel like it's not enough bang for me. Okay, so we are gonna take back the lace. So I'm gonna use Ruby Kisses in the shade 16 to just tone the lace down. I did use my Red by Kiss spray to lay some of the lace down. I didn't do like a good melt only because it's bangs. And then I just took my curling iron from Ion and I just curled the front of the hair, and then I also hot combed it as well, just so it could lay better. And that's basically it for this video. This wig basically is everything that you need, and especially because Valentine's Day is coming up. This is definitely Valentine's Day approved. You feel me? Like, you will want those bombshell curls. You want, you know, the little flirty hair. So I think, and it's affordable, so this will be super perfect. You don't need anybody to install it. You can install it yourself, and you can look really cute on Valentine's Day. And Valentine's Day is right around the corner. So yeah, it's super easy. You can even use a wand to get the curls that you are looking for. But like, you see where I said that I like a little part, like I like the little flirty part in the middle that separates the bangs. That'll just give it a little umph. And so yeah, like, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave all your questions down below in the comment section. Everything that I use in this video will be in the description box for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Bye, best friends.